In the morning, I woke up and nandakapfeka juice. Now it's like so sunny. Okay, you might be wondering why I'm talking about the weather. Because it's almost Christmas. And I remember last year, Christmas yedu takaita kuchinaya. And we had to sit inside and do absolutely nothing. Apa number gates. Some of those unpredictable things. But you know what? How about not trying to make Christmas as explicit as we want it to be every year? Try and make it simple and smart. This year, especially the year COVID, like things have been haphazard. You know, I feel like this Christmas you should also make it more about family and less about you as an individual. I don't wanna lie. For young people like us, Christmas. You can't go for Christmas without new clothes. You can't go for Christmas without new whatever. It's all about new stuff, new stuff. How about rocking it all? For me, like that kind of a vintage person, right? So how about creating your own comfort in your own home? Just go to your mom, tell her you love her. Go to your dad, tell them you appreciate her. It's just one of those things you don't tell them every day. I know it might seem so, I don't know, so nothing for us black people, but it means a lot, you know. By the way, hi everyone, I am Yvonne Pamela Sauramba, who takes the character of Nyasha in the drama Zviri Mudzimba series. And some people have been asking me how old I am. I won't tell. I won't tell. I'm old enough. Anyways, you know what? For Christmas, why am I saying that? Because today, like, I bought these mayo, right? To be honest, I spent the whole day like feeling so energetic. Yeah, I think this is now half of the day, right? It's almost 12 o'clock, and I am feeling so energetic, you guys.
And na Rosemary Piri, Tete Escan.
It's kind of Rose. How are you?
Emily ma bibi. Nimbokwenye gitare Tete.
That is Sia. I'm so sorry.
Unashe chakwizira. Hi guys. Tkanzi na Mukanjari Juliana Kudzai. Tete and TK's wife. Are you sisters?
No, we're not.
Patience Nyanga. Yes, Nyasha.
Yes, please.
Shami Sochi would say. Auntie, how are you?
I'm great, Shami. How are you?
Joseph Samuel. Hi T.
Hi.
Marlon Miles. MG. And the Tete. Baisaka emoji kari. I think I will follow kachibuda my tears of joy. Yeah.
So, I'm just hoping that you all have a wonderful Christmas and you enjoy everything that it has to offer. Ah, inini zvangu ndendiri padeni zvangu semunhu zvangu ane nhungo I like being outdoors, but sometimes times like these can be pretty dangerous if you're not careful. So I also advise you to stay at home, stay safe, eat healthy, and keep smiling every time.
And in Prince Suela. I love you, Nyasha.
Aww.
Dzidzai mutize yes Nyasha. Nyana dzai mabanga. Yes kan Nyasha. Asi ndio wakaimba Zviri Mudzimba kani.
No, I'm just serious.
Emily Mabibi. I love your voice, Tete.
Thank you, Emily.
Nyembe Sikwiri. Hi Nyasha, watching Zviri Mudzimba from Cape Town.
That's awesome. Thank you so much for your support.
Okay.
Seguro. So, And I wish you guys could tell me kuti sakanasi murukuitei because today is just pretty hectic and pretty lazy. Yeah, weather iri kuchinja chinja. All the way from Marondra, like. So someone asked me, what's it like being in Marondra? Some say that Marondra is like one of those agricultural towns. Right? It is, and it's pretty fun because it's a bit quiet in some areas. And what else?
Okay.
Why I love Marondra, I wonder. Because I feel like despite some of the less opportunities we have, it's just a vibe to be in Marondera, like to just stand up and proudly say I'm from Marondera, one of the best agricultural lands in Zimbabwe, and also quiet, as I said. Um, you don't know.
Alright, so they're asking me why did you skip my comments? Akawanda, try to tell them what Akawanda is.
Aningachuya akawanda at the same time, so kurida kunogona onetsa.
Patience Chinyanga. Um, wow, very attractive. Okay, Ibrahim Joe. Nyasha will say, Unoerei nai.
Ndiri shumba.
Brian Senza. Yes, Nyasha.
Zviri say Brian.
Nyembesi Quiri. Hi, Nyasha, watching Mudzimba from Cape Town.
Awesome.
Anita. Hi, Auntie, how are you?
Ah,
I love you so much, Auntie. Mese never sati vasvika apa.
Thank you, Anita. We love you so much. I can see you're always watching. You're one of our biggest fans.
Mercy Amy, watching from Spain. Thank you.
Okay.
Melody, Ngoni, you're skipping our comments. Why?
And it's jealous.
Sylvia Mudari kwa Tete, where is my Tanya and I'm in bed?
Wait for her.
Kana Ibrahim, Batanya jealous, anosiya ma comments angu.
Naye ani jealous.
Najo Makumbe, she has a beautiful voice. Watching in Centurion from South Africa. Love you guys.
Thank you so much.
Patience Chinyanga. Batanya Eskan. Assistant Mangube. Chiro akawanda saka awari kuerenga awari kuerenga
it's more like Lord to Saga.
Andina Shamiso choose Tete pa guitar up, we have something in common.
Serious? That's so cool.
Sitole Godfrey. Your sister is cute, Baba Tanya. Andina Mr. Toximan. Tete munotamba here. Malvin Love. Nyasha uri boy muri kutinakidza guys. Keep it up. I wish kuswera nemi hangu.
Thank you, Marvin.
Prince Wella. Watching Mudzimba from Namibia.
Okay. Awesome.
Tanya Shons. Hi Tete. Manga muri kupi amana. Skanzina Brian Senza. Ndiri right shumba. Munofara here nevamwe vose imi mose munondigonera.
Aiwa tinofara chero musiri shumba makwira miti zviri kuhamba ndi.
Okay, modern films entertainment. I just wanna know kuti is your sister married? Kiki because ndikuda kuita tsana.
Am I? Am I not? Am I? Goodness.
Hanzina Joseph Samuel. Tipenyu yacho takutonzwa moyo.
Ipembe manje. Patience.
Patience Chinyanga. Please tell my Tanya ndine gift yavo. Please kubva kuBotswana.
That jealous baby. We will tell her.
Musa the Nomad. You guys are doing a great job from Indiana.
Thank you so much.
Anzi na assistant Mangube. Iwe ngoni tarisa kuno kamera yako mundione. Mundione neni pano apa pa Jos. Rivonia. Okay, last one.
Oh, yeah.
Ibrahim Zio munogonera please ndiripoti Elizabeth Rejoice nyota hi Tete muri say love you all zviri Mudzimba team Benson Mazengenya ndiri Cape Town Tete muripi mazuva ano hatisi kukuonai.
Thank you so much, everyone, for today. And we hope you will keep supporting us and you have a wonderful day today. And also, you have a wonderful festive season. And keep safe. We love you so much from Zviri Mudzimba. Bye.
Okay. Last one. Tete Chimwandimbira, I like your voice.
Ah, no! No, no. Which song? Or like which song?
Any song Chingwaimba?
I don't have one.
Oh well. And Tomuwonga Junior.
Junior, what
2-3 lines.
2-3 lines.
Yeah.
Oh my word. I got all I need when I got you, and I look around me, I see a sweet light. I'm stuck in the dark with your flashlight. You're getting me through the night. Bye, guys. I should really go.